After I start recording, I realized all my cakes looks the same. Well, this is my banana bread.
Hi friend, I missed you.
So what are you making today?
I'm making banana bread.
I spent a week away from Isla. I'm exhausted and over-caffeinated, but I thought it'll be nice to spend some quality time with Isla. This banana bread is a staple in our house. I bake this twice a week. Why I bake this banana bread so often? Because every week I buy bananas, knowing very well that my toddler will only eat the berries. So I tried to use the forgotten bananas in waffles, pancakes, oatmeal, and banana bread. Sometimes I use it as a base recipe and add frozen berries or even apples and have it a completely different cake. Doing the voiceover, I realized that Isla is getting really good in cracking the eggs. Do you have a toddler who feels for food like this?
So beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Well, here I lost my patience and tried to speed up the process. She didn't sneeze this time, but she spat a little when she blew. Now that I'm thinking about it, I guess every time I bake, there's a little bit of her saliva in the goods. If I'm having someone over for tea and I'm baking a cake, I try to keep her away from the batter. Here she's trying to negotiate the chocolate chips.
Yeah. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. I can eat all of it.
No.
I can eat it all of it fast.
You can eat all of it fast? How fast?
This one?
Yes.
Yes, good. Yeah, mommy.
The taste test went well. She actually gave me a happy dance. My little baker is learning so much. I'm so proud of her. She enjoyed the banana cake with hot chocolate.